Hello my friends, Runar again. I got hold of from pentagon.no a Viking Sax with scabbard. I think it's made by Deepika in India. Not sure. Will use my homemade knife. It says Rune on the blade. I'll do a little unboxing for you. I think it's more proper to call it sheath and not a scabbard. Scabbard is wood, I think, or hard. This one is leather. It's a leather sheath. So okay, that was the sheath. What about knife itself? At least they have taped it very securely. Yes. Looks more like a bowie knife. With that, is it clip point you call it? That is not sharp. And the edge is not sharp either, but I don't think it will take that much to sharpen it up if I want it sharp. And a very nice grip and decoration. Brass with green coloring, so quite decorative. It's a real beast of a blade. I think the blade thickness is about 5 millimeters. Or so. 4 to 5 millimeter. I think 5. Yes. Just wanted to unbox my new knife. Viking Sax. Sax in Norwegian actually means scissors, but sax it is. And they normally would hang it sideways on the belt, not down like modern knives, but they would attach it sideways. Yes. Okay. Just wanted to show you my new Viking Sax knife. Okay. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.